of the challenges on the aircraft engine. It's a very dense piece of machinery, right? And so you actually have to normally take a lot of pieces off to get inside it. In a virtual model, you don't need to do that. Think of it more like X-ray interaction, that you can actually interact with something that's inside it. And so we're trying to make this easier. Many of the things that are being done today in augmented reality is just you look at it, you can't interact with it. But that's one of the strengths of my research group, is the interaction with 3D content. And so that's why the NRC contacted me, that we can actually make the interaction with all of these things easier.